Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is an update on the falling road reconstruction and expansion that is going on in Umuahia, starting from Abia and ends at the Onuimo area, the before the bridge. And if you're coming to Abia State and you're coming from 7.5, from Obo or Mbise, the road starts just after the Imo River. Just cross the bridge, then immediately the road starts and then takes you to Abia. There's also another road. If you're applying through this road, there's a junction. There's another road construction going on there called the Umawara Ring Road. So I'm going to be bringing you guys an update how far work has also gone there. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. This road was previously a double lane road. It wasn't wide, always go slow all the time, or during festive season, and also in the evenings when people are coming back from the Malaysian market across the bridge, because there are a lot of people from Abia State that go there to do business. So in the evenings when they're coming back, they always encounter go slow here. So economic activities is going to be done, at ease, without stress, without no go slow. Once this road has been completed, and as you can see, it's already nearing completion. It was a double lane road before, but the administration of His Excellency Governor Alex OTTI has upgraded it now to, it's going to be a 4-lane dual carriage road. And from what you're seeing in the video, you will notice that a lot of work has been done here, and they are approaching the final stages of this road construction. And very soon, the people of Abia will use this road without restrictions, and we can't wait for this road construction to be over. It's going to connect the first 6-lane road ever in Umuahia, which is the Agui Boulevard. So this road, if you get to Towa, you just connect directly to the Agui Boulevard, and then it's going to take you to Owara Square and by extension Gate. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above. So I started again. This is from the Towa side now. From the Towa side, we are going now to onuimo. So this is how the Towa side area looks right now. You can see this area, there is stone base. I think they have started the asphalting of some parts of this road. So watch this video down to the end to see the areas that they are currently pouring the asphalt or whatever it's called. When the construction of this road is over, it's going to be having street lights powered, by solar, the sun, of course. And as you can see, it's a double. The drainage is not just one lane. The drainage is going to be double lane something, and I still believe that they are going to cover it the same way they covered the drainage along the Agui Ironsi Boulevard. The construction company that is handling this project is known as Kremborg Construction Company, the same company that constructed the Agui Ironsi Boulevard. Is a reputable construction company in Nigeria that has handled a lot of road projects all over the country. If you're driving through this road this December, you need to have a face mask because of the dust. As you can see, there is much dust. The fence you are seeing, this is the School of Nursing in Amachara. So this area is Amachara. So the dust here is too much due to the fact that we are in dry season coupled with the construction that is going on here. So for you to avoid the sore throats and the rest of them, get yourself a face mask if there's anything that's going to make you to drive through this road this season.